Hey YouTube, Hey YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette and I'm coming to you with another plant that I have in my collection. So this, I don't know what you call it. My grandma Mac used to have all of these exotic plants, and so I found this last year and I got it, and I got like one piece. It was just hanging on, and I planted it out here this spring, and it started growing for me, and I'm really happy about it. And as you can see, I thought it was called baby's tears, and because you see at the edge of it, all of those are little plants, and it started growing one over here, and I'm real happy because I didn't think that it was gonna do very well, but it really did. So I can't remember. My grandma called it baby's tears, but when I looked it up, I couldn't find it. So if you happen to know the name of it, let me know. But I love this plant because it will give you hundreds and hundreds of plants. As you can see, it will give you hundreds of plants. And on this end, it does the same. And I'm going to let it grow as big as it can, and then I'm going to transfer it into its own pot so it can do its own thing throughout the winter. I'm going to allow it to propagate that way and give me a whole bunch of plants like that, you see? And then it'll do the same thing. Alright, I love this plant, and I'm going to let you see it in a couple of weeks before I transplant it. Okay? Everyone take care. Remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Remember to subscribe to my video and click that bell button so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. God bless you all and take care. Bye-bye.